Ranking a new website on top of Google is a very difficult task, as Google doesn't have any data on your website and you need months if not years before starting to rank for your target keywords. But what if I told you that there is a shortcut that you can use? In this video I'm going to show you how to beat the Google algorithm and rank faster your website. Keep watching. Welcome to Free Web Toolkit. If you are new to this channel, here we talk about digital marketing, online business, and free tools. So if you are interested in these subjects, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications to never miss any of our videos. This strategy relies on choosing a powerful domain name for your business. This domain name will have a lot of characteristics and is ready to rank on Google, so you don't need to start from scratch. Let's suppose that you want to start a blog where you write articles on dogs. The path to follow is maybe to buy a domain name and eventually a hosting before starting publishing your content. Then you need to submit your website to Google Search Console so that Google can start crawling your website with its spiders and then indexing it. But this process takes time, as Google doesn't have any data on your website and you need to work on your website SEO so that hopefully your website will start ranking higher and you'll start getting traffic from Google. But what if we want to start ranking instantly on Google without the need to work on our website for months before seeing results? So what can we do to achieve that? The answer is to buy an expired domain that was purchased by someone else and is available for registry and use it for our niche. But where can we find such domains? There is a website called expireddomains.net in which we will find information on expired domains. You'll find the link on description, so just create a free account to use this website. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. So go to deleted.com domains, for example. Here you will find a list of .com domains that their owners didn't renew. So basically now you can choose an indexed domain with already established backlinks from 2 million plus available domains. There are multiple useful stats on this list, like the date when the domain was first created, the number of backlinks, domain name characters length, etc. You can sort the domains until you find the one that fits your needs. So now let's talk about the factors to keep in mind when choosing a good domain name. As I said earlier, we want to start a blog on dogs, for example. So now ideally, I want to find an old and relevant domain which is indexed on Google and has a decent amount of backlinks so that I can reach potential customers quickly and rank faster on top of Google. On the search box on the top of the page, I will type the word dog, and as you can see, I got a list of nearly 1 million domains containing the word dog. But I recommend that you use only .com domains if you intend to create a blog. You could use .store or .shop if you want to start an online store, so remember to use a .com domain. Now let's filter our list of domains. Simply click on Show Filter on top of the list to get access to a lot of criteria to use. So I want to get only domains that contain dog. Then I'll go to Additional and I want to choose only .com domains. Let's go back to Common tab and I want a domain name with no numbers and less than 14 characters. Also, I want only available domains, so make sure to check this checkbox. The last thing I want to use is the Majestic Trust Flow, which is a metric by Majestic that analyzes how trustworthy a site is by measuring its quality. So go to Majestic tab and set the trust flow to a minimum of 5. Okay, now let's apply the filters and we should get a more detailed list. Now we got about 800 domains, but there are multiple domains containing hyphens and I don't want that. So let's add another filter. So now our list is restricted down to 700 domains. There are some interesting domain names like yourhuntingdog.com, dogdaysrock.com, and so on. But let's sort our domains by the key factor, which is the number of backlinks or simply the number of other domains that point to our website. So let's sort by the number of backlinks. Okay, so let's take for example the first one, olsonbulldogs.com, which has more than 300,000 backlinks. Now we need to know if this website talks about dogs. To do so, let's go to another website called archive.org, where we can get a snapshot of that website. The last snapshots available are from 2011, so simply click on the capture and let's see how did this website look like at that time. So we will look for a snapshot that contains some data on the website to see if the website used to talk about dogs. Hopefully I can find something, so let's check from the latest to the oldest. So as you can see here, it was a website for a small breeder, so we can use this website which has a lot of backlinks. Before going any further, we should check one last thing, which is the spam score of the domain. So go to website seochecker.com and let's search for the domain we've chosen. Ideally, you should go for a spam score of 0%, but 1% is also tolerable. So we can choose this website called olsonbulldogs.com, created in 2007 with 300,000 backlinks and a spam score of 1% for our blog. The next step is to purchase this domain. I personally use Namecheap to register my domains, so let's check this domain on Namecheap and see if it is really available for purchase. As you can see, it is available. Now you can go purchase this domain on Namecheap, GoDaddy, etc. and buy a hosting to start working on your website. If you are on a budget however, or doesn't have enough money to get started, there is an even cheap solution that will let you get started for only $0.5 a month with a free domain included. So go to this website called ionos.com. You'll find the link on description. Then navigate to hosting and then web hosting and scroll down to plans. As you can see, this website is promoting its business plan for as little as 50 cents a month, and you get the options to host unlimited websites, unlimited storage, and a free domain for the first year. So hit continue and enter your domain name. As you can see, you'll get the domain for free for the first year. Then hit continue. So for a total of $6, you'll get a hosting and a domain name. you can create your account on Ionos to get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial where I showed you how to get a powerful domain name to rank faster on Google and how to launch your business instantly with Ionos.com for only $6. For more tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to check our free online tools website. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.